In today's News Talk, we will explore how cutting-edge technologies like artificial intelligence, automation, and smart logistics infrastructure are transforming the logistics industry across ASEAN and in Thailand. Joining us is Mr. Peter Kazander, Managing Director of Logistics Exhibitions GmbH, who will provide the details. สวัสดีค่ะคุณ Peter.
สวัสดีครับ
Thank you very much for joining Newsline today. Logistics has become a critical part of any business operation, and we see a lot of technologies shaping the future of logistics today. So the question is, how is the logistics industry in Asia, including Thailand, adapting to the rapid advancements in technology such as AI and automation, and the trends that you see that will shape the future of this business?
Yeah. The fascinating thing about this logistics topic is that there are so many technologies coming together. It is about packaging, it is about warehousing, it is about identification technology, it is about AMR, AGV, and everything can and should work together. So if a lot of people, if they see logistics, the first thing they think about is truck drivers and ships and planes. And then the situation we had 20 years ago, then it was warehousing and forklift drivers. That was logistics, but there is so much more. And if you split up the external logistics and the internal logistics, so the external logistics, which is transportation in many ways, that's the part. What I always say, many people will say I'm not right, but that's the part that will cost. And it's very hard to optimize. If you have a truck and you are allowed to drive 80 kilometers per hour on a highway, then you can buy a new truck, but you're still allowed to drive 80 kilometers per hour on a highway. So you can use less fuel, it can be a little bit bigger, but it is very difficult to optimize this process. It's the process that costs money. The internal logistics, so every material handling in a company, from procurement, warehousing, production, warehousing again from the end products until shipment to the customer. That is where there is a lot of automation potential. Automation, as well as artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a part of automation, is a tool to get it done better.
So which means to improve efficiency, you would have to have technologies like warehouse automation, IoT, robotics. So is this where it improves not just the efficiency, productivity, but reduces the cost as well?
Definitely reduces the cost. Very simple example. If you want to get faster, yeah, and you got human in the warehouse, the human being has to work faster. What happens if the human being works faster? He makes more mistakes. Absolutely normal. Let him work longer, let him work faster, then you will get more mistakes. Mistakes are very expensive because you have to. If you send out something wrong, you have to let it come back again, and you have to send something new. And you're losing time, so the customer is losing trust in you.
So technologies like AI do play a bigger role in optimizing the supply chains today. So in your view, how can these small and medium-sized enterprises leverage these cutting-edge technologies to remain competitive in this ever-changing industry?
Visit trade shows, get ideas, and do it step by step as long as it fits in your company. And maybe with one company it is in production that they got a lot of labor and a lot of mistakes, and then they start automation in production. Maybe it is in shipment where there is, because it depends on the product, it depends on the process. That is also the reason why at Logimat we have, in all Logimats, in India and China and Germany and here, we get a lot of conferences. Conferences is not that exhibitors can tell what they got and then they leave again. No, we prefer to really talk about solutions. What is your problem? Do you recognize your problem? And let's see what kind of solutions are possible.
I see.
Yeah.
Thailand is positioning itself as a logistics hub in Southeast Asia. How do you see the logistics infrastructure and how do you think we can capitalize on these opportunities?
So the infrastructure grows with the economy. It normally does, yeah? And if I bring more trucks on the street because we're really getting a hub in transportation, yeah? Yeah, then I need new streets and I need new bridges. And I need, so this kind of infrastructure will grow with the economy. I think for the companies, also the small and middle-sized companies, the economic infrastructure here is very good at the moment. We got some political and geographical problems in the world at the moment, and we all see that especially Southeast Asia and India are growing now, and they have the profit of the fact that the world has a little bit more problems with China maybe at the moment. So this is the moment to pick it up and grow with the economy. Yeah?
Now, with sustainability becoming one of the main focus these days, how advanced are these technologies enabling more eco-friendly logistics operations in the region?
Oh, definitely. We got a lot of. The battery technology is getting better high speed. What saves a lot in the field of sustainability is software. Mm-hmm. So let's do the process more efficient. Yeah? Very strong in sustainability over the last year is packaging. Mm-hmm. Packaging is a very, very important item. We used to have, if we buy something this size, we get a cardboard box in this size. So we're transporting air only. So in every step of the industry, there's a lot of potential to work more sustainable. If I do the production here, and I got the end user here, and I have to do transportation, that will cost energy, yeah? But optimize it. It will never be zero. Zero is when I put money in a pot and I buy what I produce. But it's not really zero, yeah? But it can be optimized extremely. And electrification is the best way to do something for the planet. We only got one.
Right, that is. Thank you so much for sharing your insights today, Kun Peter. Thank you for telling us how technology is transforming the logistics industry. Thank you.
Thank you very much.